beautiful people. Hi, this is Abhishek for you, and today I'm back again with a new video. Actually, this video will be the start of a series on React. So, probably you might be thinking, what is React? Let me tell you. Well, React is a JavaScript library, and it is pretty well known nowadays within front end developers. So, you might have got an idea that this video is for the developers who are interested in the front end development. Okay, so React is generally famous for its performance and less development time. It is generally used for creating dynamic web applications and allows us to create reusable UI components. So this is just the introduction for you about React. There's much more than this that we'll cover in the series. With that said, let's start off with creating our React environment in our computer. Okay, so some prerequisites before we begin. The first one is we need an editor. Okay, so I'll be using VS Code editor. So there are other editors as well available in the market. For example, Notepad++, Atom, Context. So you can use any one of them, which is preferable for you. Okay, I'll be using VS Code because it provides some great and exciting features. All right, and the second prerequisite is you need to have Node installed in your computer. Okay, so let me tell you how to install Node. Okay, you need to open Google here. All right, let me type Node here. Okay, so you see an option download, right? So from here you can download Node application for your operating system, whichever operating system you're using. uh, the application is available for the other operating system as well, Windows, Mac OS, and Linux as well. All right, okay, so now let me go ahead and open VS Code. So this is the editor, this is the environment of the editor which I'll be using for the whole series. Okay, so this is the terminal. Okay, so now let me go ahead and run the command, okay, which we generally use for creating a React application. Okay, so the command which we use is npx create React app. And then here you have to name the folder. Okay, let me name it as tutorial. Okay, so npx generally used to run scripts. Okay, uh, located in node modules. All right, and create React app will set up everything you need to run React applications. Okay, so that is the package and the dependencies, and this is the folder name, so within which all the folders, packages, and the dependencies reside. All right, so here I have named it as a React tutorial. Okay, so I have already created a folder, within which all those packages are being installed, that is named as React tutorial. All right, so I don't have to do this. Okay, all right, so if you have already created a folder and you need to run this, then instead of writing a folder name, you need to use dot and then hit enter. Okay, it will install all your packages and dependencies. And one more thing, just make sure whenever you name a folder, it should be in smaller case, otherwise it will give you an error. Okay, so this is how we set up the environment. Okay, and these are the packages and the folders which gets installed, which helps in building a React application. Okay, so the node modules contain all the packages and the dependencies. The public folder contains the default files, which is generally required for creating a React applications. And the source folder is the main folder. Okay, within which it contains the JavaScript file, the main JavaScript file, which is generally required for running the application, the React application. Okay, so here it is app.js. Okay, so let me go ahead and run this. Okay, okay, so npm start is a command which we generally use to run the file, the JavaScript file. Okay, so npm is generally a package manager for Node JavaScript platform. All right, and the default port the React generally uses is 3000. All right. So now we see that our application is running, our very first application. All right. So this is all I have for this video. Okay. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. And whatever the technical terms which this file contains, okay, we'll discuss it in our next video. This video is just about how to set up the environment for running a React application. Okay. So if you have any queries, please leave a comment down below. Okay. And thank you guys for watching my video. All right. And you guys have a wonderful day.